again, and wherever you are, whatever you do, I hope you're all doing well. Have you watched my previous video about Alpha Network yet? If not, and if you have time after this, please check it out. It's an overview of what Alpha Network is about and how it works. In this video, I will show you how to collect Alpha coins really fast. It's free and easy. First of all, you have to download the Alpha Network app on Google Play and now available on iOS as well. You may also click the link in the description box below to download the app. When you're already on the dashboard, you can see that the invite rate has been doubled from 0.10 Alpha coin per hour to 0.20 Alpha coin per hour. So if you have an account on this platform, you can share it with your friends and family to earn more. Scroll up a little. There's a loot box here where you can also earn an additional Alpha coin. You can triple the price by watching an ad. You can do this every 30 minutes. And lastly, you can collect as many Alpha coins from its partner apps. At the moment, they only have one app available. It's called Planets and Meteors. Let's check it out. It says here to connect your Alpha Network wallet with our partner apps. Click on Connect Wallet now. Then copy your wallet address. Click on this download icon to be redirected to the Play Store, then install. Since I already have the app installed, I'll just open it. I don't see anywhere to paste your wallet address on this app, but I believe when you download it as instructed, the partner app automatically recognizes your wallet address. So how to collect Alpha coins here? According to the instructions, we get 1 Alpha coin per 1 level, and we get 2 Alpha coins per 5 levels. The minimum Alpha coin you can transfer to your wallet is 50 Alpha coins. You might be thinking it's not worth it, but don't give up yet. Look, it's really easy to complete a level here. Let's play the game. You just have to roll the globe with your finger and avoid the meteors striking the buildings. Your goal is to fill this bar with green color. Once done, you can triple the rewards by watching a short ad. You can play this over and over again. You may choose to transfer your Alpha coins to your wallet address or spend it to unlock a skin for your globe. So how to transfer your Alpha coins to your wallet? Click on Transfer Earnings, then click it again. There you have it. It's now sent to your Alpha Network wallet. Let's go back to the dashboard. You will notice the change in your balance, or you may click these 3 bars at the bottom and notice that you got something from Planets and Meteors. There's nothing so special about the game and it's quite boring, but in just one sitting, I was able to transfer 108 Alpha coins to my wallet. If you have any questions about Alpha Network, please comment down below or send us a message on our Facebook page. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!